In previous lessons, I've shown you how to wind the warp and then twine the ends of the warp. And now I'm going to show you how to put it onto the loom frame. I had nailed 4 nails onto the back side of this loom. So I removed those nails and turned it over and put the warp onto the front side of the loom. Of course, you wouldn't want to be doing this if you have a really nice loom. This was just an extra frame loom I happened to have lying around from a workshop I once took. I tied the warp to a new dowel with the yellow string. Notice how I tied in between every warp loop. And I did the same thing on the top. I tied the dowel to the frame with the red string. It's going to take a lot of tension, so I wound a lot of string around it, and I also reinforced it in the middle of the loom. I tied the top warp dowel to an additional dowel near the top of the loom. That additional dowel is tied to the top of the frame. This makes it so I can loosen or tighten the tension on the warp as I'm weaving. There's just one more step before I can start weaving, and that's making heddles. And I'll show you how to do that in the next video. If you'd like to learn more about weaving, subscribe to my channel. And be sure to check out my website, The Creativity Patch. There's lots more things to learn there, and I've got some really fun weaving kits. See you there, and happy weaving!